Welcome to CMS Training with EDUCO. In this video, we'll be showing you how to create new nodes in your Drupal site. First off, we'll explain to you exactly what a node is. According to Drupal.org, all content on a Drupal website is stored and treated as nodes. A node is any posting such as a page, poll, article, forum topic, or blog entry. Drupal uses nodes to allow site creators the flexibility to create new types of content to suit their needs. If you were to click Add Basic Page, Add Article, or Add Content, you would be creating a node. Let's go ahead and click Add Content and see what types of nodes we could create on this site. So underneath our Add Content page, we've got 4 different content types that we could potentially create. So these are all nodes. We could create an article, and the description of an article content type says use articles for time-sensitive content like news, press releases, or blog posts. Then we have a basic page. It tells us to use basic pages for your static content, such as an About Us page. We've used the basic page content type for our home page. Then we have a panel. A panel layout is broken up into rows and columns. Now, panels are more for design and layout of the site. You would probably not need to create a panel. And finally, we have this particular site has a web form, and it says you can create a new form or questionnaire accessible to users. Submission results and statistics are recorded and accessible to privileged users. So that's the web form content type. And creating any of these would be creating a node. So if you wanted to create something that was similar to a blog post or a news article, you would add a content type of article. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So on the Add Article page, you can see that it has some similarities to the basic page content type right off the bat. Pretty much any node that you will add would need some sort of title. That's going to be one of your few required fields on the page. So this article has the title field. Then we've got a body with the WYSIWYG editor, very similar to the basic page. It even has a summary that you can edit. And as you scroll down, you'll see that there's a field called tags, and this is a field that's more specific to an article content type or a blog post, to where you could enter a comma-separated list of words to describe your content that then users could click on as links to sort through articles that are similar or of a specific content of a specific type that they would be interested in. Say, for instance, they clicked the tag pets to see articles that related to animals and pets and things like that. The article content type on this website also has a field for an image. It's possible that an image field could be in other content types. It's just basically depends on how that particular content type was set up. In this case, the article has a featured image, and you can browse your desktop, upload an image, and then you can add some information, an alt tag or title. It might take a bit to upload, but once it's been uploaded, it'll let you know that you've got your image there, and you can give it some alternate text for screen readers, or you could subsequently remove it. Some content types might have multiple image fields. They might have very particular fields based on that particular content type. It just depends on what you need to use. As you scroll down, also you can see there is a potential for some of these tabs to be slightly different from content type to content type. It just depends on the sorts of default settings that particular content type or node can have. So that's pretty much the difference. So if we were to view, if we were to go back to add content and view a basic page, like I was saying, it's got those similarities. It's got the title, we've got the body, but as we scroll down, this particular content type doesn't have a featured image, it doesn't have a tags field, and it's got some different options, particularly the sub and sibling content when it comes to these particular settings at the bottom. Back to the add content page, let's look at the web form. So in addition to being, it's very similar to the basic page, but the web form has the ability to add fields to it. And then if we go back to the content page, the only other content type is that panel, but in your particular installation, there might be additional content types such as team members or employees, staff. You could have a content type for particular products. That's very popular if you've got an e-commerce website, that you might have a content type for the products or shopping items, things like that. So this is where you would come to add a new node to create a node of a particular content type that's specific to your needs. So that is how you add content in your Drupal installation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.